If you're experiencing issues with voice chat in FIFA 24, this guide will help you troubleshoot and improve your experience. Follow these steps to resolve common problems. Step 1. Check your microphone settings. Ensure that your microphone is properly connected and recognized by your device. Go to your system settings and check the audio input settings to confirm that your microphone is selected as the default device. Step 2. Adjust in-game settings. Launch FIFA 24 and navigate to the audio settings in the game menu. Make sure that voice chat is enabled and that the volume levels for voice chat are set appropriately. Step 3. Update your drivers. Outdated audio drivers can cause issues with voice chat. Check for updates for your audio drivers through your device manager or the manufacturer's website and install any available updates. Step 4. Check network connection. A poor internet connection can affect voice chat functionality. Test your internet speed and stability. If necessary, switch to a wired connection or troubleshoot your Wi-Fi to ensure a stable connection. Step 5. Restart the game and device. Sometimes, simply restarting the game or your gaming device can resolve temporary glitches. Close FIFA 24 completely, restart your console or PC, and then relaunch the game to see if the issue persists. By following these steps, you should be able to improve your voice chat experience in FIFA 24. If problems continue, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.